Yes, I went to Iceland. I was booked by a classical choir.
Okay.
A classical choir. The leader of that choir is an organist in the church, and he conducts several choirs. And he invited me just because he wanted something different.
Mhm.
You know, for his choir, they have this occasional workshops with people who carry different cultures. So they wanted something different, and I went there. There was nobody Jewish there. It was just Icelandic people. And we sang for 2 days non-stop, and then we gave a performance of these Yiddish songs. I made some arrangements for the choir, so soprano, alto, tenor, and bass, with splits up to 12. They were a great group of people to work with, of a high standard, you know, as a choir. Musically, it's it's a pleasure to not just educate people about Yiddish culture, but to create something musically advanced.
Right.
So it was fantastic. They hadn't heard anything about Yiddish or Klezmer, not much. So we talked about krechten and about all sorts of ornaments and phrasing and how to pronounce, and that sometimes there are there are syllables without a vowel, so you say gm, gm, and it's a syllable, and you sing it like that. And that was fun, that was good, that was interesting. Sharing something from scratch, to people who had no expectations, like a blank page. It was amazing. They loved it. They loved it.